Welcome to this week's Naviate feature of the week, where we're going to be looking at the Naviate View Template Manager. The View Template Manager is located within the Manage Project toolbar. Here we can locate the View Template Manager and easily use this to manage all of the view templates in our project. Out of the box, Revit doesn't allow us to easily add or remove view templates from multiple views at one time, or see all of the view templates and what view types they are applied to. So here with Naviate, we're able to not just view all the view templates, we can use the different filtering to filter and find which view templates we want to work with at a given time. We also get access to see all of the views that a view template is using. Here, not only can we see all the views, but we can easily add the view template to multiple views at once. If we wanted to change a view template on a view, it will notify us if an existing view already has a previous view template applied, and we can go ahead and choose to continue and apply the new view template or maintain the previous one. We also have the ability, as you can see, to view the number of view types that have this view template applied to it. That means that when a new view is created from that view type, it will apply that view. So we can go ahead and see if this view template is being used and then decide if we want to delete or maintain that view template. If a view template is in use and we do choose to delete it, we can then select a different template to replace it. For example, this one does have, this template is being used by a view type. If I go ahead and delete it, I can choose a replacement, which will bring me back to the UI, or I can select a different view template, which will now take on that role. This works the same way for view templates that are being used by views. If I choose to delete it, again, I can replace it with a different view template. This will give me access to easily see all of the views being used by a view template, remove or add view templates to views, and to be able to manage it more effectively so I can either delete or maintain all of the view templates in my project. Another benefit with the Naviate View Template Manager is the ability to select multiple view templates at once to delete them. In out-of-the-box Revit, you can only select and delete one template at a time. But with Naviate, I can shift or use Control on my keyboard to select more than one view template, especially if they're not being used in my project, and delete all of them at once. And there you have it. That concludes this week's feature of the week with the Naviate View Template Manager.